Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add new estimates to the Zoho Invoice application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below, which is the last option. Then click on the Estimates button, which is the second option. Tap on Add New in the middle of the screen, that's the blue button. Then you should provide or select the customer by tapping on the Customer button. If you don't have any items in this section, tap on the Add New button and add your customer. Then you should add the new line concerning the item. You can also edit if you don't have anything added by tapping on the plus icon. After that, you can select the estimate details, such as the estimate date, expiry date, the estimate number that you can set. As you can see, you can turn on this auto generation button. You can add the prefix and the next number. You can also tap to enter the reference, as well as the salesperson that can be added. Here you can choose from the preset options, or you can also type it into the tab to add section. And you can also provide a subject into this box. Here is a preset customer note, and you can type in your terms and conditions. So after that, you should tap on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen to add your estimate. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.